Hi guys, today we have a new clickboard. It's called Capextend 4Click, and this clickboard adds touch proximity feature to any application. Also, this clickboard can be connected to 8 different sensors that can sense touch proximity through a variety of materials. For example, plastic, metal or even wood. I have made an example for Clicker 2 for STM32 using 7-segment display and Capextend 4Click. The display shows the number of the input which reacted on the touch of the screwdriver. You can change the sensitivity of the sensor's input by setting the different PWM value, so the input pins can react more or less sensitive. So thank you guys for watching and feel free to subscribe.